MyFP, how to register quick setup. Open your browser and type in www.myfp-portal.com/ca. A login screen will appear. Locate and select Click here to register. The browser will now display a register for MyFP webpage. On the right-hand side, you will first need to identify yourself with your customer ID and identification method. If you are unsure what identification method you should use, you can always locate this information by selecting Need Help Getting Registered. You will be brought to the registration frequently asked questions. Let's take a minute and go over the identification methods you can choose from. RPIN, a 6-digit number that you received in your RPIN letter. Meter postal serial number or base number, a number that starts with 446, 447, 452, or 453. It can be found on the packing slip sent with your postage meter. Mail handler ID, a serial number that starts with PT, PU, PV, EP, PX, CM, or PM. It can be found on the packing slip, on the label on the bottom of the post base, or from the information screen in the menu area on the post base machine. In this example, I will be using my RPIN for my identification method. Once the following is filled out, select I'm not a robot and follow the instructions. Select Continue. You will now be asked to enter your account information. This includes your first and last name, email address, and creating your own password. This must consist of at least 8 characters with a combination of capital and lowercase letters, at least 1 numeric digit, and at least 1 special character. Once you view the terms and conditions, please select the box marking your acknowledgement. Select Submit. Once you complete these steps, you will see a confirmation screen. Your account is now activated and you will be able to log into MyFP customer portal.